Paano mo mabibuild yung capability? Read books, attend trainings, no? Watch videos like this on leadership and try to practice it, in the workplace, because knowing is not enough. Practicing is the key because that leads to skills development, di ba? Hindi pwedeng authority lang yung meron ka na dapat katakutan ka ng mga tao para kasundin. If you want to earn respect, start with building trust, meaning you earn their trust. That's very, very important na ang leader ay you earn their trust, because if you don't earn their trust, they won't do their best for you because they don't trust you, di ba? So, importante yan. How do you build the trust? Through communication and conversation. No? Talk to your team. Set and level expectations. Ano bang expectation nyo? Ito expectation ko. Pag-usapan ninyo kung paano kayo mag-work together. Ano ba yung mga do's and don'ts natin? Di ba? How do we solve problems together? How do we fix conflicts if there are conflicts?